Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin or BTC. Bitcoin is currently at the $57,000 level. We are currently ranked at number 1 with a market cap of about $1.13 trillion. Today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for BTC. In the last 1 week, prices are down about 3.2%, right? In the last 24 hours, prices are up around 1.2%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So one of the things we was that I was warning about the dump. As you can see, this was 8 days ago right here. I said the whales are dumping, the whales are selling, the whales are selling. Made a lot of videos just trying to warn every single person that we are gonna see a massive dump, right? And we saw that massive dump right here for Bitcoin, right here from the $69,000 levels down into those currently at the moment around that $55,000 to $57,000 level. So what are we expecting next, right? With a very high likelihood, we could see prices push towards this $50,000 to $53,000 level, and if possible, we could see a wick towards this $49,000 $48,000 level. And I will be telling you why. With a very high likelihood, we could still see one last push to the downside before we see that continuation to the upside, right? So probably we should be expecting something like this to occur, and then another bounce to the upside. So we could get a dump like this and then a continuation push right here to the upside. And one of the reasons we could see that is that if we just look at the momentum indicator, we want to be looking at volume, right? One of the reasons we were bullish from September was that we were seeing buying pressure coming in very, very huge on the weekly, right? And buying pressure continued, and we continue to stay bullish. And the moment we began to see selling pressure coming in right here from April, we were saying be careful, as we are going to see some huge dump. And as you can see, since then, we have been seeing massive selling going on. So with a very high likelihood, we could still see that selling going on until the $53,000 to $48,000 level before we see any sort of push to the upside. Also, if we look at this chart right here for Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin versus the USD Theta chart, but this is on the 3 days time frame. On the 3 days time frame, something we have taken note of is every single time we saw Bitcoin lost its 50 EMA on the 3 days time frame, we came exactly to touch the 200 EMA. As you can see right here, we lost the 50, we touched the 200. So every single time Bitcoin loses the 50, we touch the 200. And same thing currently, we have lost the 50 EMA on the 3 days time frame. With a very high likelihood, we could see prices push towards this 200 EMA, which is currently right now at the $48,000 level. So this is one of the things you want to be cognizant about, that we could still see prices come towards that $48,000 level right here. And if we just see that usually you want to be buying when prices are oversold and selling while prices are overbought, right? And currently, as you can see, we are still not in that oversold level, as we could still see one more drop into those oversold levels before we can see a pump to the upside. So with a very high likelihood, we could see the dump still continue, one last push to the downside towards these $48,000 to $50,000 level before we see the jump. So that's the price prediction right here for Bitcoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.